Hello YouTube, it's me again. Hello me, it's me again. I evaporusted this wrench. Came out this nice gray iron. Had a black, I don't know, swill all over it, I guess you'd call it. Utica Tools USA, probably not worth anything, probably $5. But this little hole here, little finger move, I've put knocker loose on it, I put acetone, whatever I can, it will not come out. I'm gonna have to break out the mother of all tools. Not the BFR, but some kind of torch. I'm gonna have to heat it up because it won't come out loose. I put a knocker loose on it like, I don't know, three weeks in a row. What I've been doing is I've been putting a little bit of knocker juice on here, a little squirt in there, a little squirt over there, a little squirt over there, and just leave it on the bench like this. I just leave it on the bench like that all night long and let it rip. It soaks it up. You can see it go in there and it goes nowhere. So yeah, we're gonna have some, let me put it in range here. Gonna have some fun with this. It's a nice crescent wrench. Just a little, I bought a fixer-upper crescent wrench. So I would ask people on YouTube what I should do with it, but I already know. Heat it up. It should break up the rust. Maybe it'll come out. Who knows? So yeah, just letting you know the update on the shitty crescent wrench that I plopped in a Evaporusted. I got a few other things thrown there. So yeah, $1.99 Harbor Freight. Little brush. Works great. Thanks for watching. A little short video here for you.